Hello guys, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about Shiba Inu guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest price prediction of the Shiba Inu. What's the price changes occur in the Shiba Inu? Let me show you. But before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about Shiba Inu. Now guys, the currently live price of the Shiba Inu in the market is 0.00007 USD dollar. That is the latest price of the Shiba Inu. And furthermore guys, if we talk about the price changes of the Shiba Inu, so now the last 1 hour changes is negative only guys. Last 1 hour change is negative, and the last one day, last 1 week changes of the Shiba Inu is positive guys. So this means that the changes is going positive in the market, and everybody are getting profit from a Shiba Inu. Now again the price start pumping guys. Let me show you the price chart of the Shiba Inu for more and better understanding. Guys, you can see here now you can see already absolutely positive 3.08% the price increase, and 0.0008 USD dollar is the highest price of the Shiba Inu in the market. Absolutely really a good jump soaker by a Shiba Inu, and the people are getting very highly profit from a Shiba Inu, especially now in the September, because you know what, in the second week of September the price will take a quick jump guys. So get ready for it and buy now more and more Shiba Inu. The price of Shiba Inu is very low, you can see here, so buy now, I recommend for you. Anyways, remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any crypto, please do your own research. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel.